ba na maipatawag si Senator Cayetano kahit wala siya sa general information sheet nung FISCOC, sir?
Posible yan, depende sa magiging testimonya ng mga ipapatawag namin. As we speak now, marami na rin ang nagpahayag na gusto nilang tumistigo. So kung lalabas yung pangalan niya ron para magbigay linaw sa investigasyon, kailangan siyang ipatawag.
Sir, how big is that? Kasi parang it came from his mouth po na parang siya ang chairman ng Facebook tapos ngayon sa documents wala pa.
That is a problem kasi very clear naman yan kahit sinong abogadong tanungin natin na bago ka maging chairman, kailangan miyembro ka ng board. Kung hindi ka miyembro ng board, paano ka naging chairman? Base sa pag-aaral namin, may nakarating sa aming dokumento, ang nangyari pala dyan, he was appointed as an interim chairman by the PLC. Pero ang instruction sa kanya is to immediately incorporate the PISCO. So na-incorporate yan, gumawa, pero he's not part of the director. So he can no longer serve as a board. Ang mangyari dapat, yung binuo na PISCO will elect their set of officers. So medyo yun yung questions dyan, yun yung kailangan mo ipaliwanag dyan.
Ano po yung nakikita ninyong mga legal dilemma, sir? If ever, kung meron man, sa kanya, sa ganitong sitwasyon.
Well, unang-una nga, paano ka magiging chairman kung nagpakilala kang chairman, tapos hindi ka naman member ng board? Pangalawa, if you acted as chairman na hindi ka chairman, that is an ultra vires act na tinatawag, that is outside of the scope. Because anything that is being done by a corporation, whether it's an NGO or not, should be through a board resolution. So hanapin natin yun, yung mga papel na yun, at we will ask Tad Susana, yung tumayo na chairman, bakit hindi siyang tumatayo na chairman in all the functions and the occasions.
Sir, yung subpoena, sir, ng tatlong FISGOC officials, napadala na po ng Bureau?
Hindi, ngayon pa lang kasi pipirmahan ko pa lang yung subpoena. No? Tatlong PISCO. May opisina naman silang nakalagay doon, although I have reports that the office is not functioning as a normal office, just a virtual office. No? So yan yung mga kailangan sa Taguig to, yung opisina na to.
Sir, sabi ni Senator Ping Lacson, may mga ghost flood control projects din sa Taguig City. Will the NBI investigate this matter, sir?
Well, in fact, we're already investigating kasi noong 2022, meron siyang 11 proyekto dyan na somehow related doon sa mga pinangalanan na top 15 contractors. Investigahan namin yan. Kaya lang, since tinanong nyo, baka sabihin yung timing na naman. And anyway, public na naman yan dahil sinasabi ni Senator Lacson. So, I think we should mention it.